Electric utilities across the world are looking at methods to effectively and seamlessly integrate distributed energy resources into the grid. As the grid integrates more DER, communication standards become essential for efficient utilization and operation of DER assets. EPRI worked on a project funded by California Energy Commission to identify the gaps in the current DNP3 standard and update it to improve the ability of grid operators to communicate with DERs. The project team updated the existing app node specification that describes how to use DNP3 protocol for DER communication. This app node specifies the standard data point configuration, set of protocol services, and settings for communicating with DERs. As part of this effort, a reference software implementation of the app node was developed. This open source DNP3 Outstation software simplifies the product development for manufacturers and industry stakeholders to adapt and enable DNP3 communication for DERs. This DNP3 Outstation software is a very lightweight, portable, and also tested implementation of the 2018 app node standard. The purpose of this outstation is to abstract all the DNP3 protocol and app node specifics so that the manufacturer can integrate DNP3 into his software and know that it's interoperable with other DNP3 systems that follow this application node. The DER outstation was written in C++. It was built and tested on a Raspberry Pi 3. The DER software in whole has three major components to it. The DNP3 stack that was built using the Automatics OpenDNP3 library, which handles decoding and encoding of DNP3 messages from the master station. The second is the app node definition. And the third component is the API that the third-party software will implement to subscribe to all DNP3 messages from the outstation. This outstation API supports all the functions that are called out in IEEE 1547 standard for DER interconnection and communication. This open source software is available in EPRI's GitHub repository with the name DER DNP3 AN2018. This open source DNP3 outstation was tested for conformance using Sunspec's SVP platform. Using this platform, Sunspec developed test scripts to evaluate conformance to the application node. Sunspec Alliance performed the testing and also provided the certificate to show the test perform and the results. EPRI is committed to the development of reference software implementations of standard communication protocols to ease the entry of open protocols into the market and plans to continue to develop, maintain, and support these tools for members. For further information on the open source DNP3 Outstation software, please contact any of the EPRI team.